funeral potatoes. Oh, hey everyone. How are you? Good? Are you good? I'm good. Are you good? Anyway, what we're doing today, classic recipe for funeral potatoes. Then I added a few little extra things to jazz it up just a bit. Let's get started by sauteing your roughly chopped onion in butter. You can cook these as long as you want. I like to brown them, and then we add our 2 sliced garlic cloves. Mix them up, give them another minute, and then take it off the heat. Next up, we're going to build the base of the casserole. You will need 2 cups of sour cream, 1 can cream of chicken soup, our onion and garlic butter mixture, 1 tablespoon of garlic and onion powder, some pepper, and some more pepper, 1 package of frozen hash browns, fully thawed out, or 2 packages of the refrigerated potatoes. I use simply potatoes. You just need at least 30 ounces. Two cups of shredded cheddar cheese, some salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of parmesan, 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And we're going to mix it up and preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Sorry. And we're going to dump it out into a pre-greased baking dish. Spread it out all nice and even. Next up, the topping. 2 to 3 cups of cornflakes crushed. If you're really wild, use frosted flakes. I'm kidding. I prefer by hand because you get the extra big crunchy bits. Combine with 4 or 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Dump it out and evenly spread onto our potato mixture. Add a dish of extra salt and pepper on top for funsies. And get baked uncovered for 50 to 55 minutes. Then take it out and be amazed at the crispiness. Oh, and do you hear that sizzle? Enjoy this for a lunch or dinner side dish. Or you could just eat it with a spoon while standing over the stove like I did. No one judges here. Well, that's it for this simple and tasty dish that should be made for non-funeral occasions. I say holidays because it's easy, it's tasty, just seriously. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you real soon.